Jim Dunphy, CEO of South Shore Bank. South Shore Bank is a leading community bank. We're $1.3 billion in assets and do commercial lending, residential, full suite of deposit and cash management services, as well as wealth management. So the growth of the bank, we've actually had some very good luck in growing our commercial base. Loan demand has been fantastic year to date, and then it was supplemented last October with our merger with Braintree Cooperative Bank, which we're really excited to have that group with us. They were about $250 million in total assets, and South Shore Bank was a little over $1 billion, so it brings us to over $1.3 billion. And deposit activity also has been very strong recently. So when I came to the South Shore about 4.5 years ago to the bank, I was getting involved in the chamber and other nonprofits. I realized they didn't have a leadership program that I had been through in previous lives. And really what it does, it's the South Shore Leadership Program. In over a 6-month period, we explore in-depth parts of the community. So there's Health and Human Services Day, where we'll go to the hospitals, go to Father Bill's, learn what's going on there. There's Education Day, so we'll go to different schools, the public schools, private schools, colleges, special needs schools. And we have 6 experiential days that we go through in a cohort. And so we've had 2 successful years. Now we're in our 3rd year. Applications have come in and it's great. We're getting a good group of people and nothing but accolades. And really what it's meant to do, it's not a leadership program in that you go off to classes to like a college or something to present. It's to allow existing and emerging leaders to learn more about the community that they are in on topics that they may not get to see on their own. So we're all through the South Shore. We have 16 branches, and so we're a very active provider. We do a lot of volunteer activity, a lot of contribution to the community, and have a very strong presence in the small business lending area, helping companies grow, expand, or be acquired, and also on the cash management side as they need assistance in dealing with their deposits and cash flow needs. So I think collaborate means that we're working together, and I'll give you a good example of some of the things we do. I'm very big on collaborating even with some of our competitors. So Abington Bank, which is a competitor of ours, a couple of years ago lost their IT director. He passed away in their bank, and we offered to help them out in the short run. That turned into a long-term agreement where we're doing all of their IT services. And to me, as I've said many times, that it's important to have community banks in the community. Not only the dollars that get put in, but the time and effort for us volunteering and supporting all of these entities. And if we can help other banks be stronger by collaborating, we want to do that. So I love the topic.